Hey, are you looking to get started with affiliate marketing? Or maybe you've been marketing for a while and you're looking for a product to promote with affiliate marketing. You wonder how it works. You wonder where to find products, what to actually promote. Well, this video is for you. So, basically this is a website, a well-known website it's known as Clickbank, and Clickbank has affiliate marketing products from marketers who put their products on here for people to promote. And in exchange for them promoting their product, they get a commission. So that's how this platform works. So basically, you pretty much sign up for a Clickbank account, and then you're able to actually get traffic to it. So this is one of the platforms that you can actually find products to promote on, and you could get a commission, right? Now, the thing about Clickbank is you won't be getting a residual income from these commissions. These are one-time commissions that you would get from your efforts, right? So you make a commission, then they send the commission to you, and that's that, right? So you can make money with these products, but the key to being able to make money with a Clickbank product is having a high-quality traffic source that's going to help you to get sales. So after you sign up for a Clickbank account, you're going to want to get traffic. And here's the place where you should get traffic from. You should get traffic from me. Why should you get traffic from me? Because I'm a top solo ad vendor, a top producer in marketing, and I know how to get people results. I have a lot of testimonials. You can see those below. And my goal is to actually help you to get very high targeted traffic to whatever offer you promote. And it's important to have your landing page where they put their email in at, and the sales copy congruent to your offer. So whatever you're offering, you want to have those congruent. And then my next thing is I want to make sure that you get high quality traffic, and you have sources from the places that you'll get buyers from, right? So I want to be able to help you get results, right? And so my traffic, when you order from me, my traffic comes from places such as Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So basically, those are the different sources that I use, and I want to help you to actually get your funnel together so you can make sales with these different offers that you promote in your marketing career, right? I want to give you the highest converting pages that give my clients up to 85% opt-in rate. And I want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because that's very important when you're doing cold traffic. A lot of people don't know their stats, and it's a deadly mistake if you don't know your stats, you don't know your opt-in rate, you don't know your conversion rate, you don't know your tier 1. That's a deadly mistake that you can make, not knowing those numbers. And then I want to help you to build a list of highly engaged people who really want to buy from you. So your numbers are very important when you're running cold traffic. If you don't know them, then you're going to waste a lot of money. So my first thing is you can pick a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1, which is 100% English speaking countries. Pick a package below, and then we have the option to review your campaign, which means I'll review the campaign for you, and we'll hop on a call together, and I'll give you some strategies to improve your opt-in rates and your conversions. If you've been struggling for a while to make money, then you're going to want to book this call. And then in 3 days or less, 72 hours, we'll launch the campaign. If you booked a call with me after you bought a package, then it will go after the call with us, right? So here's some of the reviews that I have. I have anywhere from 50% opt-in rate all the way as high as 90% opt-in rate. That's my highest as of now. Here's the 90% T1 traffic. You could pick a package here, or you could get the 100% T1, which is always suggested for best results. You could pick whichever one works for you. Here's some of the people and the companies that I've ran traffic for. So you could be a number of these companies in them, and I may have ran traffic for you. Here's some of the questions that people ask. So you're going to want to look at this before you even ask any questions, because a lot of your answers are probably in there. Here's my guarantee to you that I give you 100% real traffic. And if you have any issues with your order, you can reach out to me, Gio Ambrose Gianta on Facebook, or you can leave me a message down here and I will get back to you as soon as I get the message. I'm fairly quick to respond to customers who put in a message and need help, right? So you can leave a message down there. My goal is to get you 100% real traffic and no bots, no fake traffic. And I cannot issue you a refund once you buy because it's paid traffic, so I can compensate you in traffic. And my promise to you is give you real traffic, and if you have any issues, I'm going to compensate you in traffic. All you got to do is bring it to my attention, and I'm happy to help. I'm happy to assist you, so that way we can get this taken care of for you and get you high quality service with high quality traffic and get you support with getting your traffic, so that way you can make more money online. That's what I have for you today. So, if you're looking for products and you have a Clickbank account, make sure you get some traffic from me. You could click on the link below this video to get traffic. It's going to take you to this traffic store. You could buy traffic. There's also a link in the description that takes you to my private Facebook or my public Facebook group, where you could get in and I give tips, tricks, and training on strategies that you can use to build and grow your business. You just got to get in that group below in the description and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, talk to you soon and bye for now.